Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys check them out. Link is going to be down below where you get one of these at a low cost. I already took a peek. And this is going to be another backdrop for you guys. For all your TikTok videos, your YouTube videos, Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media platform you use. This is going to be another good one to get. Here we go. This is coming from FHZON. So I'll have this link down below. So if you like this item, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your shopping cart, check out really fast so they can ship this to you fast, and you'll get this in no time. So we got another YouTube backdrop coming in. And this is fancy dancy too. And here we go. I can get it out of the bag. There we go. Drop you guys down. Yeah, these are pretty long. 7 by 5 or so. I'm gonna put this on the floor. Alrighty, give me 1 second, guys. Almost got it laid out. Like I said, this is really good material. You can use it for like a picnic, birthday parties, and whatnot. Alrighty, got it laid out. Boom, we're in India. We got the pyramids, or Egypt, my bad. We got Egypt going on. Great pyramid right there. Really cool. This one has nice color to it. Nice sky color. And but that's what it's going to look like when it goes up. So I'm going to leave that one up right now because I got another video to shoot using that background. So I'm going to keep this on the ground and I'll show you guys. Nice print though. Really nice print. This would look good in a man cave type deal. Pretty much anything. Picnic table cover. Table covers you could do. Theme nights. A lot of cool stuff. Birthday parties. And there you go. So check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. Get these now before they sell out, because they are moving fast. So, and take a look if you see something else you like the other styles they have. So, click the link down below. Be safe. Have a good night. Alrighty, YouTubers. Here it is. We got it hooked up. Looks pretty good, guys. There's the pyramids and that one dude. I forgot his name, but you guys should know him. That guy. That looks really good. Great detail on it. So you'll be seeing these in the backdrops more often throughout the videos I make. So really cool. And you guys can get them too. Check out the other kinds they have. And yeah, definitely pick one up or two. Because like I said, they got different styles like Space, Wizard of Oz, I think. I've seen a few different ones. So, really cool backdrops. I think they're under 30 bucks or so. So, definitely pick one up. And if you like this one, all you gotta do, click the link down below, add it to your cart, check out fast, continue to shop so they can ship this to you fast. So, alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good night. Be safe out there, stay home, and this will be over soon. See you guys.